Hi everyone, another practical Excel automation example without Excel. Let's say, for example, we have a bunch of files sitting in the folder, and what we want to do, we want to delete all Excel sheets except one, except potatoes, because our farm in Scotland does not produce any bananas or apples, only potatoes. So this can be easily done. Use Advanced ETL Processor. So let's start from creating a new workflow. Let's call it keep potatoes. Since we want to change all Excel files in directory, we need to be able to loop over them. That can be easily done using files loop. So let's change the file name to make sure that it will be using mask. And we need to copy the variable name called loop value. It's already active, enabled. And we need to set add keep sheet action. Just link it. And we say that our file name is variable. And sheet name is potatoes. That's what we want to keep. Let's run it and check the results. Interesting, run only once. Sorry. Probably forgot to save the action. No one is perfect. Let's try it again. Okay, so this time it's working fine. Let's check the actual file content. And as you can see, here are our potatoes. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need any help automating working with Excel, please go to our support forum, post your questions there, and we'll do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.